What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. First of all, good morning. Well, it's technically good morning for me. I don't know what time you're watching this video, but guys, it's muggy outside. Look at this pool of pollen. Straight pollen. Look at the beam skis. All that pollen's been going crazy this season, but you know what? I ain't even mad because that means summer is around the corner. You already know summer is the best season for me. I love summer, guys. I love it. I can't deal with the winter. It's too cold. But before we start today's video, I did want to post some things for you guys. Bless merch has dropped. Okay. I got 3 right now that are going out. Guys, don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on them. They look fire. They look great. This is actually V1. So after these sell out, I'm gonna go ahead and redesign them. You know, make them better. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. More merch is coming on the way. But yeah, go ahead and DM me your size so I know exactly what size you wear, and then yeah, I'll get it to you guys. I'll get it to you. Apart from that, let's go ahead and start today's video. My hair is looking crazy, so you already know I'm about to go get a haircut, guys. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Start the beam skis up. Guys, she needs an exhaust. Definitely needs an exhaust. But I mean, I got some things on the way for her, so I ain't really stressing about it. I'm gonna get an exhaust though. I'm gonna get an exhaust. Hellcat? Sheesh, Hellcat. Okay. Guys, you already know I had to stop at Dunkin' to get some coffee. I need to start my day. I need to start my day right. Let me close my windows. Ooh, you can see me? No, you can't. No, you can't. I just love that people can't see me through the tent. Like, it gives you your own privacy, you know? You can be at the light just dancing, just hitting it. That's just some good shit. That's some good shit. But guys, we're about to go get my hair cut. Let's get it. Let's get it. I need my hair cut so bad. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got my hair cut. It looks way better. My head looks way better. But I got some good news right now. I went ahead and looked into my email. Yep, guys. One of our I'm trying to block my things. One of the packages are delivered. So that's such good news. That's crazy good news. So let's go ahead and find out exactly to see what exactly came in the mail today. What came in the mail today. So let's go ahead and head home. Let's go ahead and open this package, guys. Let's go ahead and open this package. It's gonna be so fire. I have a McLaren right behind me. What the heck? You guys can't really see it, but you can see the headlights. You can see the headlights. That thing is pretty clean, guys. Ooh, moving. He's moving in it. That thing is clean. Clean. One day we're gonna be in something like that, guys. One day we're gonna be in like a Lambo or a McLaren or something crazy like that. I feel it. I just feel it. I just feel it. And you guys are gonna watch the journey, guys. You guys is what creates our journey. So let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep it pushing. We're gonna make it. We're gonna freaking make it. We're at 500 subscribers right now. 500. We need 500 more to hit 1,000. So let's get it. Keep pushing, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. I really do. So far, this journey hasn't been easy, but we've been keeping going. We've been keeping it pushing, guys. So let's keep it going. And yeah, I'll pick you guys right back up in the next clip, all right? All right, guys, so we just got home. All the stuff. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. Can't wait to install these. Guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned for the installation. You're gonna have to. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. I'm so excited, but I'm still waiting for some other things before I install this. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. All right. Guys, these things are crazy. I already went ahead and opened them, but I want to open them for you guys so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Sheesh. Look at that. I'll take it out. God, coilovers. Guys, I'm super excited. Super excited to go ahead and install these right here. Oh, God. What? Pretty heavy. But, yeah. That's the coilovers, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it.